Hello everyone, we're gonna make a video with an aspect ratio of Cinemascope or Anamorphic or Cinema using Wondershare Filmora 13. In 2021, I had made a tutorial on how to make a video with a ratio of 2.351 or called Cinemascope or Anamorphic using a software called Wondershare Filmora X. At the time, there were still a few video editing software that provided an aspect ratio of 20:9 or Cinemascope or Anamorphic or Cinema. In the Filmora 13, there are various aspect ratio options for videos complete with aspect for Instagram, short video videos, TikTok, and of course, the Cinemascope aspect ratio 20:9, which we will discuss by using Wondershare Filmora 13 software. It is a new version 2024. Let's immediately practice how to make a video with a ratio of 21:9 or Cinemascope. After the Filmora 13 program is running on your device, import the video you want to edit. Then press the File menu, then select the project setting menu, then select the aspect ratio 20:9 or Cinema, then press OK. Drag and drop the video into the layer, then press Keep Project Setting. Take a look, the screen has formed into a Cinemascope or Anamorphic ratio, but the video is still in widescreen ratio. To fix it, right-click the mouse on the video layer, then select Crop to Fit, and voila! Take a look, the video has had an aspect ratio of 21:9 or Cinema. It is simple, right? The video looks more cinematic, especially if you are good at using color gradations for the video. It will be cooler, so cinematic and so epic. To choose the color gradations, you can see in this menu, or you can make it manually. After the video is finished editing, the last step is now rendering the video. Press the export menu, change the file name. For the video, you can adjust it, then select the quality higher. For the resolution, you can choose custom or according to your needs. Change the frame rate to a minimum of 30 fps, but if you have slow motion in the video that you edit, select a minimum frame rate of 50 fps or 60 fps. After finishing, press Export menu and let the Filmora render your video. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to make a video with a cinematic or anamorphic aspect ratio. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to share this video, comment in the comment column, like and subscribe to this channel. See ya!